Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Flower Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 11th June from around the world. Arvind Kejriwal, Amit Shah meet. Discuss coronavirus situation in Delhi. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Wednesday said he met Union Minister Amit Shah and discussed the coronavirus situation in Delhi, which has seen a spurt in new cases in recent days. He assured of all cooperation. Mr. Kejriwal tweeted. The meeting at Mr. Shah's residence came a day after Mr. Kejriwal tested negative for coronavirus after he went into self-isolation at his home following a bout of fever and throat pain. Second round of India-China talks in a positive atmosphere. Indian and Chinese armies on Wednesday held major general level talks with an aim to end the military standoff in Pangong TSO and a number of other areas in eastern Ladakh. People familiar with the development. In the over 4.5-hour meeting, the Indian delegation pressed for restoration of status quo ante and immediate withdrawal of seizable number of Chinese troops from all the standoff points. The major general level dialogue took place in a positive atmosphere with an aim to further ease tension between the two sides. Delhi overwhelmed by COVID-19 cases after city eases lockdown. India's capital of 16 million people is set to be the latest city overwhelmed by COVID-19 and the first may be yet to come. The Defense Ministry has closed its doors. Its top bureaucrat is in quarantine while a senior finance ministry official and the government's top spokesman have the coronavirus. Authorities have requestioned more hotels and community centers to be used as COVID-19 wards, while bodies are piling up in hospital, morgue and crematoriums. India agreed to tour Sri Lanka for limited overs series in August. According to a report in the island, the BCCI gave the green signal to Sri Lanka cricket for the tour on Monday, provided the Indian government gives clearance for it. The series, including 3 ODIs and an equal number of T20Is, was originally scheduled from June. On its part, LSC 2 will seek permission from Sri Lanka's Sport Ministry to stage bilateral cricket. As per the report, with most COVID-19 restrictions imposed during lockdown relaxed and tourism expected to return in August, SLC is confident that it would get the required permission. SLC is depending heavily on the series to boost its revenues through television rights. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.